Good morning and welcome. It's Jelly Cube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Coming to you with basically another little test pour I'm doing. I am going to excitingly test these new little Swifty swipes I've made. I've done them with teeth for a purpose, different shapes. I have been practicing with me Swifty swipe homemade tools, doing different surfaces, different shapes. So I have a little video out which I'll put in this link in the comments of how I make these crudely made Swifty swipes, but they really are great for swiping different things. So these are done with teeth, and I'm going to try and create a feather with the teeth like this. I did see a video of a lady, I actually don't know the lady's name, but her YouTube site was AB Creative. I believe it's a UK based artist, and she used like kitchen towel, I think it was, cut in these shapes to make a feather pattern. And of course, because I love my Swifty swipe and I love the soft plastic for swipes, I thought, oh, my Swifty swipe could do that. So this is the test to see if my Swifty swipe will do the feather, create a feather look in my paint. So I've used, this was a previously used canvas that I'd scraped off and it had dried. So I've been using it to do some test pours. This is pre-made paint, my studio acrylic, and it's got the normal PVA glue and water. My pouring recipe and my stockist is in a drop down box, but that's what I've done with this. I've just pre-made it, covering it over the top. I probably think it doesn't need any more. Just put a light covering on and I just spread it with my spatula. So pop the other glove on would be a good idea. So I'm going to just see if my Swifty swipe works on this particular canvas in this particular way. So I've used the phthalo blue, and I've got some leftover paints. So I've got some of the pigments that I made up last week, so I'm going to just use them. I would really like to use some pipettes on this, but I have them, but do you think I can find them? So I'm just going to try to do my pattern that I want to do my feather with, just with dropping it off the actual little stirrer. So it's kind of I think it would work better if I put the paint into pipettes or my little squirty bottles. I will try that, but because I've already got this paint now made up like this, I will just use it this way. Maybe if I can do that through it a little bit. So yeah, these were just the leftover paint, so I thought I'll try it with this. And then this was the gold, I believe, not sure, I can't even remember what I've got these mixed with. Yes, I want to test my Swifty swipes out, see if I can get some feathering. Yeah, so please look at AB Creative. She's a lovely lady, or seems a lovely lady. I haven't met her in person, obviously, but she makes some lovely things on her channel. I was recommended, it was one of the recommended channels by YouTube, recommended to me, and not that I often have time to look at other people's videos because I'm so busy doing my own, plus having a life, so you kind of get carried away. But yeah, I did look at this lovely lady's, and she has some lovely videos on there, so I will try and find the link for you guys. finish that off afterwards. Let's see if this Swifty Swipe works. So I might try my little one. Remember, I'm trying to do a feathery look, so okay, that could do with, I can see already that I probably need to cut the serrated edges maybe closer together, or maybe I can go over twice. Maybe that'll, it seems to be working anyway. I'll just persevere with it as you do. May not look like a feather, but it looks pretty anyway. It does look pretty. It looks like a whimsical caterpillar by just leaving it like that, or a centipede. So there you go. Whimsical creatures. So try a little bit more pressure on it. Come on, feather. Now I think I'm going all out of shape with this one, but it's still pretty. I think probably more so because the colours are very pretty, but that's okay. That's not too bad. I could go through it again at a different, you know, to get different angle, get more feathering happening. But probably less is best, and that's not what I'm good at. Less is best, but it's quite pretty. Okay, what I would do here is use some of my white to probably do a bit of a vein down the these flies, I tell you. Oh, go away. Just have a play with it. I think that's not too bad for my first attempt with this one. So this is my smaller Swifty Swipe. I will do another one with this kind of really craziness in here, and then I've got a bigger one obviously for a bigger canvas. So I'll try and link the video of how I just make these Swifty Swipes. Just a quick video, but I don't think that's too bad. I think that's quite pretty. What do you guys think? Wow, actually it is quite pretty. I like it. I'm just going to give it a, get rid of the air bubbles. I'm not going to do it with this particular one, but I know that the lady on AB Creative obviously allows them to dry, and then she resins them, and then the colours just pop out, and those are very sparkly colours because they were made with the oh no, there is what pickles. What did I make them with? It must have been, oh, it must have been the Art Alchemy. It was actually, it was Art Alchemy I made these with. So there you go, with Floetrol I did last week, and put in those little containers. You can buy those little containers when you're making up pigments or paints that only need small amounts. I just buy these little containers with the lids on. Now I get mine from Capriole Shabby Chic, which is my, it's not my online store, but it's my go-to, because they just deliver everything to me, so I haven't got to go out for those particular things. So those are great little storage containers for your paints that you make small amounts of, and then you put the lid on and keep them airtight. Well, I love it. Wait on for the photos at the end and let me know what you think. It's very delicate, so unlike me, but there you go. So what do you think, guys? I will have another go at it, but I think that very delicate feather, or I don't know, you could do a dragon in it, you could do a caterpillar. So there you go. give it a go for sure. Make your own little Swifty swipes. Until next time, which will be tomorrow, there'll be another video. So please, please join me. I hope that you're all well and good and enjoying your own art therapy. So until tomorrow, bye for now.